Most beginners fail at digital products for one painful reason. They build what they feel like creating instead of building what the market is already begging for. And that is why your ebook, your PDF, your template, your workbook, or many app gets ignored. Not because digital products don't work, but because you started with an idea instead of a problem. In this video, I'm going to show you how to build your first digital product from a trending problem, not from random inspiration, because the product matters. Let's get straight into it. You start digital products backward. You say you want to make an ebook, you want to make a guide, you want to create a planner, you want to sell a template. That sounds productive, but it's actually dangerous because the market does not care that you made an ebook. The market does not care that you spent 3 days making a beautiful PDF. The market only cares about one single thing. Can this solve a problem people already care about? That's it. That is the game. A bored creator creates a product and then tries to convince people to want it. A smart creator finds what people already want, then builds the product around that demand. That is why trending problems are so powerful. A trending problem is not just a topic, it's a signal. It means people are already searching, people are already complaining, people are already looking for solutions, people are already emotionally activated. And when people are emotionally activated around a problem, they are easier to help and easy to sell to. A trending problem is a problem that is showing up repeatedly in the market right now. Not 5 years ago, not based on your random opinion, not because you saw one person mention it. A real trending problem has movement. People are searching for it. People are asking questions about it. People are watching videos about it. People are commenting about it. People are buying tools, guides, templates, and shortcuts about it. Here is the simple formula: problem, promise, product. That's it. Problem, promise, and product. Do not skip the order. A lot of you start with product. That's why you struggle. Step 1, identifying the problem. What's the pain people are talking about? What are they frustrated by? What are they trying to fix? What results do they want? What mistake do they keep making? Step 2, define the promise. Your promise is the specific outcome your product helps them move toward, not a fantasy, not a fake overnight result. A clear, useful improvement. For example, problem. Beginner creators do not know what digital product to build. Promise. Find one product idea based on real demand. Product could be a PDF guide, a checklist, a workbook, a template, a mini course, a playbook, or a mini app that walks them through the process. Another example, problem. Busy moms want to meal prep, but do not know how to plan cheap, healthy meals. Promise. Plan a full week budget meals in under 1 hour. Product. A meal prep planner, grocery checklist, recipe PDF, or mini app. By the way, with Kashify AI store, you can do that instantly. Kashify AI helps creators discover profitable digital product ideas, validate angles with AI, and move from idea to launch-ready product concepts faster. Our prompt engineers and our experts industry team collaborate and vibe research to get those trending live topics available to you in real time and live. If you want help finding trending problems people are already searching for and turning those problems into sellable ebooks, guides, templates, workbooks, PDF, or mini apps, then take a look at Kashify AI store. The goal is simple. Stop creating random products. Start building from real demand and give yourself a real shot at making your first $1,000 plus online with digital products. If you like this video, like, subscribe, and comment. And if you don't like the video, comment and tell us why. See you in the next one.